Sarah from Nova Scotia. I'm priming some art panels and I figured I might as well just turn the camera on and show you quickly how I do it. Because I always start my videos with them already done and someone might have a question, I'm not sure. So I have this, I have black this time, white, black, it doesn't really matter. The pour will cover it. I just got this off Amazon. It wasn't very expensive. And I put this on all my surfaces except for canvases because they come already primed with gesso. So if you're using like an art panel or wood or anything else, you want to prime it first. So I just dip it right in there just with a smaller brush. I do my edge first. It's super quick. I don't bother with the back right away because when I'm doing the painting, tilting it, moving it around, I'm going to get it all messed up anyway. So when everything's done, dried, cured, sealed, everything, I'll just give the back a little coat to clean it up if I'm selling it. If it's just for home, probably just leave it all messy. So I just use the brush to cover the four sides, and then I just have a bigger one. This makes it quicker. Just throw a little on there. And then just quickly cover the surface. And I do this, I'll usually, when I'm mixing up a bunch of paint, I will prime a few of these, whatever I plan on playing with that day, and then let them dry. It only takes like an hour maybe to dry, and you can paint on it right away, or pour on it. So I just do these up, and then I mix my paint, and by the time I'm ready to go, they're ready to go too. See, so try to get it, don't leave big huge chunks on there, but when we do a pour painting, paint is so thick that it's going to cover up any ridges anyway. That's it. So yeah, do up a few if you want at a time and store them, whatever, and they only take an hour to dry. There you go.